I'll be cooking a squash, pumpkin, and that's the smoked fish, garlic, onion, and ginger. That's the spinach, and then the malunggay leaves. I'll be cooking it with coconut milk. I'll be cooking ginataang kalabasa. Gigisa ko muna ang mga sahog. Yan yung sinapa. May homemade smoked fish. Libangan ko yung magluto at napanood ko yung paano gumawa ng tinapa. So, hindi na ako bumibili ng tinapa. I make my own tinapa. Smoked fish. Then, pour the coconut milk. This is the way how my parents-in-law taught me before how to make how to cook the vegetable their way. Mga Bicolano ba, paano sila magluto. Lulutuin muna yung gata. Pakuluin muna bago ilagay ang kalabasa. Coconut milk is already boiling. So it's time for me to add the squash. Takpan muna natin hanggang lumambot. So, ayan, malambot na ang kalabasa, kaya ilalagay ko na itong malunggay and spinach. Marami-rami yung sabaw kasi ang aking anak ay mahilig sa sabaw. So, hahanapan ako ng anak ko ng sabaw, kaya dinagdagan ko. Healthy lifestyle ba? Gulay-gulay. That's it. Ginataang kalabasa with malunggay and spinach.